Let me tell you about the time I woke up in a puddle of sweat outside Moab. I had bought a cheap, power-hungry AC that drained my battery bank by 2 a.m., leaving my van feeling like a sauna. Finding an air conditioner that actually cools your van without requiring a loud generator or massive electrical grid is incredibly frustrating. Today, I'm breaking down the best van air conditioners that actually work off-grid, so you never have to melt in the middle of nowhere again. Let's find your perfect setup. 5. RecPro 13.5K RV Air Conditioner. I want to start with the RecPro, which is a classic RV powerhouse that I mounted on my rig when I first started testing heavy-duty cooling setups. It pushes a massive amount of cold air, dropping the interior temperature of a sweltering Sprinter van in a matter of minutes. The airflow is undeniably strong, and the remote control makes it easy to adjust the temperature from bed. When it comes to sheer cooling capacity for larger builds, this unit definitely gets the job done and feels solidly built to handle rough roads. However, actually living with this unit off-grid is where the reality check hits hard. Because it is a traditional 110-120V system, you are immediately forced to either stay plugged into shore power or rely on a massive inverter and a beast of a battery bank to run it. I found that if I wasn't running a loud generator outside, this AC would chew through my lithium batteries at an alarming rate, making it incredibly impractical for extended boondocking. It demands a serious electrical infrastructure that most standard van conversions simply do not have the space or budget for. The noise level is another significant issue I struggled with during my testing. While the non-duct setup is straightforward to install, the compressor and fan noise is aggressively loud inside the small confines of a van. Trying to sleep, have a normal conversation, or even just relax with this thing roaring right above your head becomes exhausting very quickly. It definitely cools the space rapidly, but it absolutely dominates the acoustic environment of your home on wheels, taking away from the peace of being out in nature. 4. Cruise In Comfort VS Series. Next up is the Cruise In Comfort VS Series, a system I was incredibly excited to test because of its highly unique split system design. Instead of a massive box sitting on your roof, the compressor mounts underneath the van or inside a cabinet, while the blower unit sits inside the living space. This makes it an absolute dream for stealth camping, as there is zero visual footprint on the roof of your vehicle to give you away. The cooling performance is also highly efficient, running off direct current without needing a massive power inverter. But despite the stealth advantages, the installation process for this system is an absolute nightmare compared to a standard rooftop unit. I spent days routing delicate refrigerant lines, dealing with complex wiring harnesses, and trying to find the perfect mounting location for the heavy compressor underneath the chassis. It is definitely not a weekend DIY project for a beginner, and paying a professional to install it will dramatically increase the overall cost of an already premium price system. It requires a permanent, highly invasive commitment to your van's layout. The space sacrifice is another major drawback that became quickly apparent once I hit the road. In a van, every square inch of storage is precious, and having to surrender a massive chunk of your cabinet space to house the internal components is a tough pill to swallow. I constantly found myself wishing I had that valuable storage space back for adventure gear, rather than dedicating it to an air conditioning system that naturally sits idle for half the year during cooler months. 3. Indel B Plein-Aircon 12V. This is a true 12-volt rooftop air conditioner designed specifically for the campervan lifestyle, and it completely eliminates the need for a power inverter. Running it straight from a standard 12V battery bank means you avoid the energy loss associated with converting power, making it incredibly efficient for long days parked in the sun. It genuinely transformed how I approach off-grid power management. The cooling output is perfectly tailored for standard camper vans up to about 6 meters in length, easily cutting through the midday heat without overwhelming the space. I was particularly impressed by its smart soft start technology, which ramps up the compressor smoothly without causing that massive initial power spike that trips sensitive battery management systems. You can leave this running to keep your pets cool while you go for a hike and come back to a comfortably chilled van without finding a completely depleted battery bank. Aesthetically, the Plein-Aircon sits nicely on the roof with a relatively low profile that does not ruin the look of your rig or cause excessive wind drag on the highway. Inside, the air distribution panel is sleek and features integrated LED lighting, which is a fantastic modern touch that brightens up the living space. The remote control and built-in timer functions are highly intuitive, allowing you to easily set it to cool down the van right before you plan to go to sleep, further optimizing your electrical consumption throughout the night. 2. Nomadic Cooling X3. Available in 12V, 24V, and 48V configurations, this air conditioner represents the pinnacle of purpose-built, off-grid cooling technology. It is a complete powerhouse, delivering intense, icy air that can handle extreme desert temperatures and heavy humidity without breaking sweat. When the mercury spikes well above 100 degrees, this is exactly the unit you want sitting on your roof. What truly sets the X3 apart is its incredible energy efficiency despite its massive, heavy-duty cooling capacity. It features an advanced variable speed compressor that intelligently adjusts its power draw based on the ambient temperature and your specific thermostat setting. In my extensive testing, I found it uses significantly less power in its eco mode than older units half its size, allowing me to run it all night on a standard lithium battery bank without any range anxiety. It is engineered specifically for the unique demands of modern solar and lithium electrical systems. The build quality of the X3 is immediately apparent out of the box, featuring robust, off-road-ready construction designed to withstand heavy vibrations, washboard roads, and harsh weather conditions. The interior plenum is incredibly low profile, meaning you will not be constantly hitting your head on it when walking through your van's cabin. It operates with a very satisfying, quiet hum that is vastly superior to the rattling roar of traditional RV air conditioners, making it a premium, comfortable choice for full-time living in tight quarters. Nomadic Cooling also provides top-tier customer service and high-quality mounting hardware that makes the DIY installation surprisingly straightforward. It fits perfectly into a standard 14 by 14-inch roof opening, meaning you can easily upgrade your old, inefficient AC to this modern powerhouse without cutting new holes in your roof. 1. Nomadic Cooling Helix X2. This unit takes everything that makes the X3 great and packs it into an incredibly compact, highly aerodynamic footprint. When I first mounted the X2, I was genuinely shocked by how sleek and stealthy it looked on the roof. It is significantly smaller and lighter than almost anything else available, drastically reducing wind resistance and preventing your vehicle from feeling top-heavy on tight mountain curves. Despite its remarkably compact size, the cooling performance is absolutely staggering. It utilizes the absolute latest in compressor technology to deliver rapid, consistent cooling while drawing barely any amps from your battery bank. I have run the Helix X2 throughout the night in sweltering, muggy conditions and woke up with plenty of power left over to brew morning coffee and run my induction stove. It is the holy grail of off-grid air conditioning, giving you maximum climate comfort with a minimal electrical footprint. The acoustic performance of the X2 is another area where it completely outshines the competition across the board. It is whisper quiet inside the cabin, functioning much more like a high-end residential mini-split system than a traditional, rattling campervan AC. This quiet operation is a massive quality of life upgrade, ensuring you get a peaceful night's sleep without a heavy compressor shaking the roof above your head. The smart thermostat is incredibly precise, maintaining a perfect climate without constantly turning on and off throughout the night. Ultimately, the Nomadic Cooling Helix X2 wins the top spot because it requires zero compromises from the user. It is remarkably easy to install, fits perfectly on small camper vans and large transit vans alike, and boasts a gorgeous, low-profile interior panel that looks factory installed.